Hi, I'm Ann.
And I'm Dean.
We are here up on Timber Mountain. Please subscribe to our channel.
Like and share. It will help us on our adventure.
Thank you.
These are 1.5 inch rebars, which actually are just tacked in for now. And that should be solid enough. I'm going to put another bar across here. Because I'm sure some of the rocks that are going to want to go through that will spread the bars and whatnot. So that'll help me from that happening. Anyways. I think it's built strong enough. I've tacked everything in place. I've got about, I would say, a good hour's welding, but it's looking good. How many hours do I have in this right now? I've got a couple last night, probably, and today 3 hours, so I'm 5 hours in approximately. Some angle iron, so I'm just going to put the 2x6, 2x8, 2x10, whatever I have, and bolt it onto the wings here. So I don't know if you can see them in the picture. Took maybe 20 minutes to cut and re-weld. It's just something so the soil doesn't come back into the good soil. Anyways,